see if I can film this intro. I'm gonna be talking a lot, so if you don't like me and you don't want to hear me talk, just go ahead and X out of this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you know that my name is Harmony. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply eyelashes and how I make them stay all day. If you know me, you know that eyelashes are my thing. Out of everything in makeup, eyelashes are probably the thing I get most excited about because they just change the look. Like, you guys are going to notice, my eyes right now are like, I feel like incomplete. Like, I feel naked without them. So yeah, I definitely love eyelashes. And if you guys want a full video on like all of my favorite eyelashes, I can definitely do that because I do have a lot of favorites for different occasions. Some for natural looks, some for more dramatic looks, some for wing liner looks, some for cut crease looks. You know, like, there's a lash for everything. So if anyone is interested in that, I will for sure do this. But this is just for like the average person who wants to start wearing eyelashes and kind of doesn't know how to. These are really easy eyelashes and they're my favorite. So I went to Target this morning to go get them, and I was like, I might as well just film a video on how I do it. My favorite brand of lashes are Cocoa lashes, but those are online, so I have to like order them to get them. But yeah, those are my favorite brand. But then my second one is Ardell. So, and then my third one is Eylure. My fourth one is House Lashes. And so yeah, those are like my top favorite. If you guys want to see a video, let me know. But I'm going to be showing you guys with the Ardell. These are the Ardell Wispies. And another pair, or another style, I should say. Another style of these that are good are the Ardell Demi Wispies. Those are just a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to show you guys a trick. And another pair that are good are the Ardell Double Wispies. Basically the same thing as these, but it's just like two stacked on top. But you can make them yourself. If you can't find them, you can just put two. So I'm going to show you guys doing that. To show you how it looks with one pair. It looks super natural, but for me, I wear eyelashes so much that it doesn't really look like anything, so I have to wear more because I'm extra. The glue that I'm using is the Duo brush-on adhesive. It's this one. It comes in like, I think that's on the box so you can see. So this is the glue that I use. And I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to be honest, there is more cons than pros to this glue, but you're gonna be like, what? But the pro outweighs the cons. So the cons are the packaging. It gets like gross and goopy and stuck, and it's just like not good packaging at all. Another con is it gets stuck in your eyelashes and it's hard to take it out. You have to use like oil to get them out, to get the glue out. And then the last one is that it doesn't have, if you wear eyelashes a lot and you use like the Duo, the regular glue, the blue one or the black one, you know that you put it on the lash and then you have to literally wait like maybe 30 seconds to a minute for it to get tacky so that you can put it on, because you can't put it on right away. This glue, I guess this could be a pro and a con. It dries super fast. So as soon as you put on the lash, you have maybe 5 to 10 seconds to put it on your eye because it dries so freaking fast. So that can either be a good thing for some people or a bad thing. But the pro that I'm talking about is if you put this on correctly, okay? Correctly. If you put the lash on your eye, stick it on there, make sure it's on all the way, I promise you it will not come off. And I have several friends who have done their makeup that can vouch for this, because this glue is everything. Like, when I do weddings, I use this because it does not come off. And I'm telling you, I've gone out nights, woken up the next morning, and my eyelashes are still on. I promise. And I'm a crazy sleeper. They didn't look good. Like, they were like all messed up, but they were still on my eye. And I promise you, this glue does not lift in the corners. If you stick it on there right the first time, I promise you it will not come off. So give this glue a try. If you're wondering what's on my eyes, the crease color is MAC Uninterrupted. I'm pretty sure they discontinued it, so my apologies. The gold in the middle is Gold Bar by Anastasia, the single shadow. I don't wear mascara because personally, you could see my eyelashes are non-existent. and I just don't like the way that it looks on my eyes. I like a more dramatic look. That's why I like eyelashes. So yeah. I'm going to apply my mascara to my bottom lashes and a little bit to my top. This is the CoverGirl Supersizer mascara, and it's waterproof. I've never tried the regular one, only the waterproof, and I love it. And then I just do a little bit on the top just to, oh my, cool bro. I'm using one of these tools to apply it. So if you guys can find one of these, I got this at the beauty supply store. It was like $3. I highly recommend this for beginners. It's easier than tweezers, and sometimes tweezers you can poke your eye out. Like these are really, really sharp. Sometimes I use my finger, sometimes I use this. Honestly, it just depends on how I'm feeling that day and also what lashes. So these are the lashes, and you can see they're not too thick, so they're good for anyone who is beginning or just starting to wear eyelashes. They're not too thick, they're not too thin, they have a nice curve to them. I'm going to apply the glue directly to the lash band. And you want to make sure that you put enough on the outer corner, because that's usually the part that tends to lift. And the inner corner. I just grabbed the lash on the lash applicator like that. I'm going to look down at my mirror. So I have my mirror right here. I'm going to look down, but I'm not going to close my eye, obviously. So I'm using this eye right here to see what I'm doing in the little mirror. So you can see what you're doing. And then you're just going to place it right in the middle. Okay, so it's not connected yet. So I'm going to connect the inner corner first. And then I'm going to connect the outer corner and pull it in. And then you want to make sure that you just attach the corners. So now that it's on, I'm going to hold it down and just make sure that the lash is really connected to my lash line. And I'll close my eyes too and make sure. And you can really feel, if you can feel the eyelash, then it's not on right. And you can see the difference that makes. If you have small eyes, you might want to trim them. Like, I know that these fit me, so I didn't trim them. But if you have small eyes, like I know a few of the clients that I've done have had super small eyes, and I've had to cut a little bit off of them. And same thing, just look down. And the corners. I'm just going to blend them together with a little bit of mascara. And since I do reuse my eyelashes, I'm not going to apply it like on the top, just towards the base of the eyelash. This is what one pair looks like. I'm going to show you guys what two look like. It's just a little bit more dramatic. So you're literally just going to do the same exact thing. Add the eyelashes, just like if you were doing it the first time. Alright, so you can see the difference that makes. And then obviously the glue is drying, so it will takes a few minutes for it to completely dry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did like it or did get something out of it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I will link those both right here. And yeah, if you guys want to enter the giveaway that I am doing, I'm giving away an AMREZY highlight. So if you guys want to win that, check out the video before this on how to enter that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh yes, girl. Yes. Yes, bitch. If you're wondering the highlight I'm wearing, it's the AMREZY one. Click the video before this to Target for lashes, and I freaking bought a highlight. You know, if I'm gonna go into Target and not buy makeup, I have to not go into the makeup section. Ooh, this isn't even a highlight video, and I'm here showing you as a highlight. Let's see. Oh, that's real gold. Ooh. Gonna have to try that, but I like go through phases, and now I'm on an AMREZY highlight kick, so I'm probably gonna wear this for a month, and then maybe I'll try that one. The point of lashes to me are for people to say, "Are you wearing fake eyelashes?" That's like the best compliment ever, because obviously I don't want them to look fake. I want them to look real. Like hair. If you have like extensions, you wouldn't want to someone to be like, "Well, your hair looks fake." You want to be like, "Is that your real hair?" Show is. Just kidding. This is my real hair, in case you were wondering. So I hope that this video was helpful. Blah, 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 blah.